Let's make sure things are doing what they should be doing. Yes. Okay. Winning. Awesome. My great getting on. Okay. Awesome. Sorry guys, I'm trying to figure things out one step at a time. Okay. I think that's good. I think we're good. I think we're good. I think. Winning, okay, dokie. My goodness. Okay, so we're on 4 of 10. Oh yeah, that's where I had a mini meltdown. Cool. Wow. What? Oh, I'm on the 15-minute. I was about to say, but still, it barely moved yesterday. Okay. After that drop it had yesterday, it just chopped. That sucks. Right. All right then. Wow, everyone trading in the PM must have been bored out of their skulls. That really, really sucks. I'm so sorry. I really expected some more movement. But I guess it is what it is. Right? It is what it is. ALP, how's it going? How's it going? There we go. Yesterday PM session looked shocking. Wow. Just wow. Is it the rubbish? Hey Ahmed, I'm good and you. Is this all just because of news happening not even today? News is on Friday, isn't it? No, wait, I see there's something later today. This is actually unbelievable. I can't believe how this chart looks today. There we go, that looks a little better. Still not great, but it's better. I'm not gonna lie, this is not giving me high hopes. Hey, Scalper, how are you doing? No, not yet. Well, I don't think so. Awesome. Thank you. But anyway, Scalper, did you trade the rest of yesterday, New York session? The PM, there we go. the New York PM session. Riddle, MMC try. You asking me to try MMC? Oh, okay. Lucky for you, apparently. I didn't trade it either, but it looks like it sucked quite a bit. Oh, thanks for the new sub. Oh damn, okay. And well, let's rather ask this question, right? What do you think is actually going to happen today? Because this does not look great. I mean, there's some movement, yeah. I'm judging this based off of like New York. This is not terrible. This is not terrible. Let's see. There might potentially be something. I hope. Hey Shandon, how's it going? Dylan, what up? Mr. Opinion, hi. Gold is bullish, awesome. Yeah, Scalper, the AM during New York was awesome. I missed such a good winning trade. Oh well, it is what it is. It is what it is. Oh, nice, Mr. Opinion. Thank you, thank you. Dylan, how did you know? Yes, I am from South Africa. Karaoke. Cool name, by the way. Love karaoke. How can I do trading without looking at graphs and forgetting about my money? I would say then you would have to go to a professional investor, I guess. I'm not too sure. Chat, what do you guys think? Expect higher everything. Central banks are going to go on a massive printing. Oh, okay, Tony. But you expect everything to be going up now. Solly, what up? Hey, Dylan, what part of South Africa are you from? Why the stock market got a widow's peak? I mean... Only True Trader, hi, how are you? How's it going? Shane, hi. That's good. Shandon, you think it's gonna go up? Because my video stopped well. What do you mean? Benjamin, that's actually valid. Just, if you don't want to be looking at charts, don't do it. Unless you want to hire someone to do it, I guess. Then I guess you don't have to look at a chart. Then you're paying someone else to do it, but, you know. Oh, nice, Dylan. Yeah. So, samesies. I was living in Centurion for a while, like majority of my life. I now recently just moved down to KZN. How cool. Dylan, I only got into trading in April, so I'm very new to all of this. Let's see what this is going to do. Yeah, I'm very new, so yeah, please don't think I'm the best. I'm definitely not. I'm still learning things and figuring things out. Chicken Gun? Interesting name. Chicken Gun, are you from Dallas? Aw, thanks, Dylan. Yeah. Riddle, I do not have Telegram. Oh, awesome. Okay. What made you start trading, Dylan? Ben, hey, what's up? If I miss anyone's messages, I do apologize. I'm not ignoring anyone on purpose. I promise I try to see everyone's messages. It's just a lot. Bill Kai Bat app. Anyways, I'm from South Africa. I'm in South Africa. Oh no, it stopped. I was about to say, did you see the twitch in my arm? But it stopped. Oh, karaoke. So I'm waiting for a confirmation of structure, basically. I know it's going up, but now that it's hit VWAP, I'm waiting to see, is it going to continue up? Is it going to go back down? Is it just going to chop sideways? Oh, damn, it looks like it's actually going to go up. I was looking at this. Yeah, I just wasn't convinced. So I'm waiting for confirmation of market structure. So my trading strategy needs the momentum. Yeah, it needs momentum, basically. And it needs proper structure. It can't be doing the chop. I can't trade my strategy in the chop. So I'm just confirming that we are not going to be choppy. Damn, this looks like it would have been a really good trade. It's just always a little bit tricky when you're going against VWAP on both ES and NQ. So let's see. If it's just going to be choppy, it's not worth me placing a trade in, unfortunately. I've tried it. It's just not worth it. It's a stupid risk. So that's essentially it. I'm waiting for confirmation. And then I'll place trade if the opportunity presents itself. I'm trying really hard to be better with regards to my discipline, because normally I would just say, let's just do it. Which is not always the ideal way to go, but this actually looks like it would have been a good trade, naturally. Yeah. Oh well. Let's see, it is a little bit stuck below VWAP on ES, so I also kind of want to see if it's going to break up out of it, or if it's going to respect it and just keep bouncing off. See, this is it respecting VWAP on ES a little bit. If I'm new to trading, you better read the grey taking. It's very vital that you understand what's coming. What's coming? That sounds terrifying. Eric Palmer, how much have I made? I'm not profitable yet, if that's what you're asking. Like I said, guys, this is not a channel where I'm here saying that if you follow what I do, you guys are going to make millions. No. This is just basically a community of like-minded people that want to support and help each other out. I'm very honest with everything that's going on. I'm not sure if you can see. If you're on the verticals, apologize, you can't really see. But my P&L is up here for everyone to be able to see what's happening. And my balance on the horizontal, you can see. So I'm doing the 50k eval. Like I said, I'm not profitable yet. When I first opened this eval 3 weeks ago, I had a red week. That really sucked. And now last week was green, and touch wood, so far this week has been green. So now it's just to slowly but surely start increasing the profits and the amount that I risk, so that I can potentially get profitable a little bit quicker. So it's not just like $40 at a time. I mean, I was up $116 yesterday. Again, I know it's not that much. But that red week took a little bit of a knock with regards to my confidence. So now, that's what I'm working on. Like I said, when it comes to trading, actually, the mental part of it is the most difficult freaking part. Just when I think I've figured something out, it just turns around and goes, hey, try again. It's really mean, actually. Oh well. Cool. Let's see if this would have been a win, but this just looks like it's going to be sitting and taking its... Oh, gosh. There we go. You are from India. Awesome. Ben, teach you how to trade. Like I said, I'm not a teacher yet. I'm still learning. Oh, Dylan, interesting. Sorry, I just read what you said now with regards to S&P. So literally I have ES open here, and this is the Nasdaq futures, but it's the micros to be more specific, especially if you are new, if you don't want to blow through capital. To start on the micros is a good way to go. Chimichanga, so choppy, I agree. Don't know who that is. Karaoke, yeah, basically. Marthia, hi, how are you? How's it going? I got my coffee. I haven't had a sip yet though, so that's chimichanga. I'll have a sip now. Benjamin, do I have any experience with options? No, I do not. Sorry. What software is this? Well, I'm trading on Project X, if that's what you're asking. Some tea? No. This works just fine. Dylan, so I'm using Tradeify currently. I'm actually wanting to potentially swap to one of my affiliates because they have some really good deals currently. So I'm like, Damn, Chimichanga, how much did you put in on your 50k eval account to get that? Okay. Benjamin, yeah, day trading is, yeah, it's not so easy. And like I said, mentally wise, mentally wise, yeah. The mental side of it is what I'm trying to get at. Mira, hi. Okay, so I feel like I've missed a bunch of messages, so I apologize. If you want me to respond, resend them for me, please. I'm gonna focus now for a little bit. Let's see if we get out of this chop at all ever. Riddle, I mean, you can follow me on Instagram or you can send me an email if you want. Nazar, yeah, basically, but I'm not trying to compete against the whales of trading. I'm just trying to, I want to say do my own thing, but that sounds bad, but you know what I mean. I'm just trying to find the freedom of trading. I know it's not going to be easy. I'm aware that it's not easy. Believe me. I have realized that it's not easy. This is a whole journey. Jordan, I watched TJR. I don't. Dylan says he does though. Lita, hi, how you doing? Daniel, hi. Trade Delicious, hope you get to 5k subs soon. Why, you just want to see the tattoo, don't you? You just want to see, damn it, look at this. And let's see if this would have been TP. Oof. Close. But not yet. This would have been quite a stressful flipping trade. Anyways. Dylan, I don't go to university. I appreciate that, but no, I'm yeah, I don't actually go to university. Daniel, Berry Sports Highlights. Happy Wednesday or happy hump day. Damn! This would have been a goodie. Oh well. Let's see now if something else potentially pops up. Slowly but surely now climbing up. Little grab, little grab. Let me mark out this one. Crap. Now I can start looking for things. What time is it? Oof. 9:30 is not... Have 5 minutes and then there might be something. Do I try enter before then? I could try enter before then. This just looks like it's running away now. Let's see if I had to place my GAN here. Got my shelf. How big is this? Five. It's not the worst one. Right, chimichangas? This is... Yep. My 3... If I make this 3, like that, this is literally nothing. Because this is a tiny bit more risky. Especially because of the time right now, but I have... I don't think this is even going to come and tag me in. I think it's just going to keep bouncing off of VWAP. Entry would have been better around VWAP. There we go. Thinker wants to come for this liquidity grab. Like I said though, it's a little bit risky. There's 3 minutes to go until hop past. And that's normally when there's something better. I said, London, it kind of depends. Sorry guys, I see I've missed a lot. John, hi. What's my daily goals? Literally, my daily goals is just to end in the green. That's it. That's basically the daily goal. Just to end in the green. If I can be 4R up, that would be amazing. That doesn't always happen though. Sanu, what up? Green Emerald, I'm looking at a long. I'm looking at a long. Also, hi Green Emerald, how are you doing? What are you looking for? Sorry. VWAP is volume weighted average price. Currency pair name. So this, I'm trading the MNQ. So the Nasdaq futures, but the micros. And on this side, I got ES open because ES drives NQ quite nicely. This is better. This looks a little bit better for an entry. Hell yeah, basically. Brian, no, I'm actually in South Africa. South African, born and bred. Daniel, what's up? Why that face? What happened? Not yet. No, it didn't come and tag me in. I wanted to get in on this long. It did not come and get me though. What time is it? Okay, we got a minute to go. Let's see what happens. Well, we have 25 seconds if we're going to be specific. Yeah, chimichanga, yeah, that sounds about right. Basically. Marzia, let's go. Yeah. South Africans just... I don't know if we're dumb or if we are just that tough. Sometimes I think we're closer to being dumb, but... Okay, let's see if this is the shift. I got VWAP on my side. That doji's a little bit terrifying. Okay. VWAP, got a shelf. I got a tiny bit of a fair value gap. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, you... Sorry. It's like my pet peeve that my VWAP keeps flipping, changing. Oh well, it is what it is. Like I said, it's just 3 contracts. In London, 3 contracts is not a lot, so it's fine. Let's see what it does. Got this liquidity, I got the shelf. Okay, this could be good. Someone asked about my preferred time frame. I trade on the 1 minute, but as you see, I go and I double check for confirmation on the higher time frames as well. With regards to whatchamacallit, market structure, I was like stock market. I was like, no, that's not right. With regards to market structure, I check the 15 minutes and the 1 hour time frames. What's up, Nicole Kidman? Thanks. That's a compliment. Do I hold any companies? Brian, no. Well, aren't the futures like the top 100? Giant Pinecone. Hi. Luca, you think short is the way to go. Why? Daniel, I mean, yes and no. Mostly no. I feel like, you know, the same as anywhere. Saint, hi. Welcome back. Where have you been? Saint, are you in the vertical? You might be in the vertical, and that's why it's harder to see. So there's 2 streams running. There's the vertical and the horizontal. So if you pop onto my channel, you'll see there's 2 lives. Hi, live! What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Daniel, listen, that's a whole other kettle of fish. Yeah, that can be a very political, very sketchy conversation. Let's maybe not get into that. Okay, Chimichanga, and what do you think? What do you think is going to happen then today? Oh, okay, Luca, so you think this is going to be short. There we go, Saint. Hello. You are welcome. LP, hey. Yeah, like I said, that's a very, yeah, very touchy subject. But with regards to, is South Africa safe? I think it's safe, as long as you are in the correct areas, right? Saint, you're in the buyers currently. Awesome. Do I ever trade? I have not traded on the... Like I said, I go to the 5 minute for confirmation, so sometimes I'll actually use the 5 minute structure for my setup, but then I'll hop back onto the 1 minute just because it's busy. So I have a tad bit of ADHD, so you'll see I'm always playing with something. There's always something in my hand, I'm always playing with something. So the 1 minute, I know a lot of people don't like it because it's noisy. It's good for my brain, because it keeps my focus. Roshan, hi! Oh, interesting, yeah. How do I like my coffee? So I like it black. Yeah. I have like 1 sugar in it, but yeah, it's just black coffee. It's good, it's nummy. Chimichanga, what's the trend overall? Well, let's double check. Let's check the 15 minutes. Ugh. Sorry, speaking about noise. Good question. We theoretically... The trend right now apparently is a little bit choppy. So I was gonna say, here's a lower low, but it's only a lower low because of the wick, and it's not a lower low via the external lower lows. This is the internal lows, if that makes sense. I hope that's making sense. But here was a higher high. On the 1 hour, let's check the 1 hour. Again, guys, if you think I'm talking absolute rubbish, please correct me. You know, I'm still learning. I could be wrong. What do you guys see that I'm not seeing? It's part of the learning experience. You little booger. Didn't come and tag me in before going up. Okay, so there we go. This looks like it potentially wants to be bullet, well, or it wants to just fill this massive freaking fair value gap on the 1 hour. Holy moly. So yeah, it could be wanting to come fill in this fair value gap and then go down. Oh, thanks, Din Din. Thanks, Chimichanga. There we go. Oh, it's not gonna come get me in, is it? Nope. If I'd used that range, it would have been a win already, just saying. So if I had used the smaller range, check. That would have come tagged in and been a win. Oop. Oop, there it's going for liquidity. And there's the liquidity grab, which means I want to be out of this. Because there could be a bit of a bigger retest back down now. Okay. Daniel, you've never done what I'm doing. What do you do? Ooh, 4 hour just open, manipulated to low and distributed to the high. Ooh, okay. Hey, thanks, Saint. Dylan? Yes. That's putting it super politely. Trend seems up. Yep. Oh, thanks. Cancer card name. Daniel, I don't have a top 5. I just stick with my M and Q for now. Because I'm still new, I didn't want to jump around. I wanted to get good at one. I've heard gold is lots of fun though. I've heard people have been having fun trading gold recently. Chimichanga, it's going up. Price can retest, so that's what I'm, yeah. Oh, High Life, no, he's good, he's good. It was literally just, he essentially needed a vaccination, but I had his passport and the vet has to sign the passport. But he's fine. The can show you guys a video. He learned how to buck, so that's fun for me. Michael Brogans? I don't know if that's a compliment or not. Anyways. Hey, Michelle, how's it going? Gold is decent, yeah. Solly. Gosh. Dylan, probably not. Well, I say probably. I mean, never say never, right? But I don't know. Would you? I'm waiting for a retest. I feel like this is not the best plan. Hey. 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 The high it just took, well, didn't take a major high, and there's more here and here. Those are just the equal highs, or relative equal highs, up at the top. Okay, you know what? Let's try this. Like I said, I'm just gonna do 3 contracts. That's barely anything. If it gets me, cool. If it doesn't, it is... Or if it takes me out, then it is what it is. Oh, this is the big retest. It's gonna take me out. I should maybe make it... No, just leave it alone. Right, leave it alone. Stop. Stop. Abraham, I'm from South Africa. I'm putting it out there. This is not an A+ setup. This is not... I mean, I do have a shelf. I have a little bit of an order block. And I do have a fair value gap on a higher time frame. Did that just miss me by a tick? What? Seriously? Okay, let's see. I feel like that just missed me by a tick. Do I do team-ups? What's that? I feel like that was really rude and it should have tagged me in. What the hell? Okay then. What's the fear and greed index look like? Are you asking what my R's are? I have a 1 to 2 R if that's what you are asking. Michael, really? Can't stop you being serious. Is that a thing? Is Beanie Babies really a thing? Hey, hello. Welcome, welcome. It ate... Did your frog eat the caterpillar? Do you still have the frog? Cool. No. Oh, no, I've never tried that. I had Boom Banana on here last week. That was quite fun. I'm trying to get Solly on here. Just saying. First target will be hit soon. Nice, Saint. Nice. Blast from the pop. Huh. Really? Are they really? What's wrong? What's the matter? Okay. Why did you not come and get me? That was so unnecessary. What the hell? How about that? Will that come get me? No, I don't think this is gonna come get me. I think this is just running away from me. And watch, when it does come get me, it's gonna be a proper dump and it's gonna then take me out. Okay, come here. Come here. I think he wants to say hi. I'm not actually sure. You want to actually say hi? Sorry guys, you caught me in my hippie pants. Yep. Here we go. Oh, we got a Perry on stream. What do you think? Is he gonna come get me? He doesn't seem too interested in this. Huh? What do you think? Is he gonna come tag me in? Oh gosh. This, oh, okay. Okay, this, okay, we're having mommy puppy time right now. Sorry guys. My hands are stuck. Brian, why not grow my money with long swings? Because I'm not brave enough for that now. Luca, you think now it is short, why? Didn't look like it took anything major out, or did it? Not really. What makes you say here is... Crap, bye. What makes you say here is short? Well, apart from the fact that it looks like it wants to go short. Dylan, I think it, oh my gosh, yep, this is gonna take me out. Sticking with it because I still got a bit of a fair value gap, and no, this is gonna not be great. Brian, yes. Stay long on NQ, rough. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. This is probably gonna come and take me out. It is what it is. But I'm in it now, so it's now hands off. Leave it alone. Thanks, Jay. That was such a... Thank you. Thank 25072. There we go. So it's around where I call it my shelf. I don't know if that's the correct term, but it is one of my confluences that I use. So I had a fair value gap, a shelf, and a little bit of an order block as my confluence for this trade. It's why I didn't change it, because I don't hate it. Doesn't mean it's going to be a winner, but let's see. 04875. What? Texas, your stop is 04875. Where was your entry at? Right, Solly? I was like, okay. Michael Brogans? I low-key want to see what your hair looks like now. I am genuinely curious. What does your hair look like that people say you must be a model because of your hair? You call it a cupboard. Okay. Why? Oh. Do not be that guy. Cool. Let's see. And now it's... I'm doing hands off as well. I'm not doing break-evens for these 10 trades. If you've been watching, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, let's see, Luca. Let's see what happens. It has hit resistance on ES. Yeah, let's see. It could go either way. Let me check. Jeff D, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Okay, you think it will sell off into New York? Oh, interesting. Yes, I do. I use some of the concepts. Like I said, I don't exclusively trade ICT or SMC. I use some concepts, and that's how I came up with my little strategy. I called it shelf. Got it. Got it. Thanks, Chimichanga. Thanks. You cool. I like you. You can stick around. Okay, JFD, so you went short on MES. How long are you gonna hold it for? Asia high incoming. And cups hold my coins. Chimichanga, I got a jar that holds all of my coins, just saying. Teach me how to Dougie, teach me to— Thanks. Now that's gonna be stuck in my head. Ah, thanks for that. I know that's not what you meant, but now the song is stuck in my head. Michael, why couldn't you trust him anymore? Sham, can I teach you a little bit? I don't feel like I'm qualified to be a teacher yet. I'm still learning. I'm still a student, if you will. I don't know. Rachel, what's up? What's up? What's up? Dylan, right? I'm trying not to look. I'm just trying not to look. Teach me how to profit. Sorry, that because of the teach me how to Dougie song is like stuck in my head. Now teach me how to profit is going on my head. Teach me how to profit, teach me— okay. Moving on. Here's the first bear trap and then short. Well, okay, let's hope it does that. Hope it gets me before it does that. Whoop, whoop. Amazing. Damn, I should have put more contracts. Oh well, you know, it is what it is. I wasn't 100% sure on this one, so mitigate risk a little bit. But like I said, I should start just trusting this process a little bit more. But that was awesome. I mean, literally came in, ticked in at the 50% level and went straight up. That was a really, really nice trade. I thoroughly enjoyed that one. Don't get me wrong, I still try not to watch. Oh, it's about to take out the equal highs on ES. I think that's what it's searching for. Ooh, equal highs both on ES and NQ. I think once it takes out that level, then we will see the shift to the downside. Could be wrong. I could be wrong. Let's see, it still hasn't taken it. I could just tap into it. Wait. There might be a lot of resistance there. What trade is this? By the way, this is number... This is number 5. 5 of 10. Cool. Yeah, I don't know much to say about this trade, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. Oh, okay, so it took the liquidity on ES, it took those relatively equal highs on ES, or equal highs. Now we could see quite a bit of a retest back down, so I'm not going to risk getting into a trade now just because once it takes equal highs, it could have quite a hectic drop, and it could screw me. So, you know, risk management is a thing. Let's rather not try and jinx ourselves. Gap full, gap full, gap full. Ice cream enjoyed gambling? Sure. Hasham, to be fair, all of you guys are my tutor. I've been learning from you guys. I've been learning from the stream and the chat. Literally. So if you want to learn, stick around. I missed things. I'm still missing things. Oh, Blitz, what up? Okay. Wow, okay. Okay, again, if I missed any messages. I do apologize. I was actually focusing. How weird. Am I playing? Sure. Brian, I didn't say this was less scary. Did I ever say this was less scary? I think it's still pretty scary. It's just quicker. Shall I do scalping? Oh, Michael, that was bad. That was bad. Dylan, yes, I am. I'm live every day, both London and New York session. Yeah, so twice a day, every day, you can come join. Ah, that's okay, Dylan. Enjoy. Yeah, like I said, I am back later. I don't know what the time is that side of the world, but yeah. I mean, Mikhail, it's basically what I'm trading, just the micros. It's been a little bit of a diva recently. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna place this up. I'm not gonna take it because, like I said, it's just taken some equal highs. This could be a, yeah. So maybe I'm wrong, and maybe this could have been an awesome trade. It might want to still take out these relatively equal highs on ES. I mean, not on ES, I'm sorry. On MNQ. Or like I said, because it's just taken out those equal highs on ES, this could just come... Oh, and all-time highs. Awesome. Is it all-time highs on ES? No ways. No, shoot. It is. No, it's not. I'm talking rubbish. I'm sorry. Ignore me. I'm talking absolute rubbish. I just didn't mark. There's just a long way to go. Anyways. It's 3 a.m. My guy, go to sleep. Damn, Dylan. What the heck? Oh, damn, Texas. Oh, damn. Okay, okay. Right, Brian? Yeah, slow and steady does indeed win the race. Like I said, I should be starting to add more. Just with the chop the past 2 days, it's been a little bit terrifying. It's been a little bit terrifying. But I think now that I've been taking more trades, I think I can start to confidently say this is around a 50% win rate, this strategy, which is not bad with a 1 to 2 hour strategy. Yeah, 50% is not bad. It means you are in profit. I actually used to think it was a 40%, but these past 15 trades has been pretty 50-50. Pips and dips. Ice cream. I feel like I missed something. What does my husband do? Ice cream? I don't have one. Yeah, good, Dylan. I'll maybe then see you later. See you for the New York session. Texas, what? Am I tired? No. No, it's fine. Oh my gosh. Okay. Watch this now be a winning trade because I did not take it. Got my little shelf, I got a bit of an order block, and I do have a fair value gap. This theoretically actually was an A+ setup. However, it did just have a proper liquidity grab on ES, which means it could have screwed me. So risk management says it was fine to not take this trade. Sorry, I'm trying to validate why I didn't take it. Can I be your husband? New York, okay. Okay, you're going for the boat now. What? I thought you were wanting the car. I'm so confused. Why do you want the boat now, not the car? Asham. Awesome. Enjoy. Aw, thanks for all the new subs, guys. I appreciate it. Damn, yeah. A lot of you guys. Thank you. Yeah, but that's exactly... Oh, okay, so you got the car? Congratulations. Yeah. I'm just gonna call you BD, because I can't say the rest of that. Anyways, if it doesn't reverse, then I'll continue to drift higher. But that's exactly, I was waiting. This could be either proper shift, a proper retest back down before it continues to go high, or it's just going to continue. You know, there's three options. It could be either of the three. Wow. Just tell her we're friends, Michael. No, I'm joking. I read a comment and nearly died. Okay, we're fine. But yeah, thank you, Sally. Yeah, guys, if you wouldn't mind... Oh, English. Okay. If you guys wouldn't mind liking the stream, if you're enjoying it so far, that would be amazing. You know, the more like-minded people we can get and the more amazing community members we have, it would be amazing. Speaking of, guys, keep it in your diaries. Keep it in your diaries. Bam. Texas, is there a second chat? So I have 2 lives open. I have the vertical and the horizontal. I wanted to do that. Why is it not here? Yeah, why is it not here? No. I wanted to pin it. Oh well. Bought some silver recently. It's doing good. Oh, sorry. I see I missed something about a career. How do you find trading? Can you pursue it as a career? I mean, I feel like you could in the long term once you've got it sorted, but don't go and quit your job now until you're profitable, essentially, is how I feel it is. Thanks. Brian, do I watch anyone for market info? No, I get all my info I need from this amazing community and amazing chat, literally. Doing a short live and regular. Do I need to? Nope. No, I don't, Texas. I do not. SMX thoughts. I do not have any, purely just because I've never... Yeah, never traded it, never tried it. No thoughts. But you can ask chat. Chat, what are the thoughts on SMX? Michael? That's amazing. That is amazing. Anyways. Is the surgeon husband real or not? No! Facts have income. Yes. Aw, thanks, Aaron Young. I appreciate it. Aw, where are you at? Oh, from never mind. Never mind. You said it right there. Glenn, what up? How's it going? Bloomberg. Hasham, no, I'm still, I said earlier, I'm not sure if you were here, I'm still on an eval account. Like I said, guys, I'm not here to pretend that I am amazing and I'm making millions and no. I'm still figuring things out. Why does this look like it could have well, wait, let's see. This could potentially start dropping down. It can go one of 3 directions, up, down, or sideways. Let's see which one it's gonna pick now. Michael Brogan's S&M not for you, why not? Sean's very real. He is, he's scary. Don't mess with him. Oh, okay. Texas, 2 platforms, no. Do you run out of day trades? No. What do you mean by run out of day trades? I sometimes try and limit myself. And I don't want to take stupid trades. So I used to just take like... That was so loud. I'm so sorry. That was not meant to be so loud. I used to just take whatever trade presented itself to me, and that's was a problem, you know. Take your A+ setups, guys. Just take your A+ setups. Maybe a B-. But in general, try to take the A+ setups. I don't understand what the matter is right now. Jose, what? Yeah, listen, ice cream. He normally comes in the New York session. Hey, Solly. Long super valid. Okay. 1 hour inverses on NQ and ES long super valid. Okay, there's a 4th direction. What's the 4th direction, Kay? Do you think I'm 35 years old? Wow. I got called a grandma yesterday. Now that I'm 35 years old. Oh, should maybe start wearing makeup. Oh well. Texas, why? What you confused about? Ooh. Bit of a, anyways. Okay, here we go, baby. Again, I really think it depends on the market, but let's say 4 to 5 trades a day. If it breaks the equilibrium you're fishing for, sell potentially. Please, yeah, potentially. Oh, what? Why am I saying ice cream? Sorry. 2-minute noodles on thebomb.com. I remember living off of 2-minute noodles. H. Gelza? I'm so sorry, I feel like I butchered that. So if it has 3 or more of my confluences, then I say it's an A+ setup. If it has a fair value gap, a shelf, a order block, and VWAP, I mean, then it's A+++. Then I'm like, this is good to go. But in general, oh, and obviously market structure. You know, there's a few things, but if it has at least 3 of my confluences, I'm like, yeah, this is a A+. I look like I'm... Oh my gosh, so I am this old, don't worry guys, I'm used to people not knowing what the heck is going on with regards to me. I remember people used to think I was older than my sister. I'm actually younger, but yes. I have been told, yeah, many things. Brian, you do 3 trades a week. Nice. See, that's the difference between day trading and swing trading. Oh, thanks, Texas. I appreciate it. 35, yeah, we'll go with that. Newbie dooby doo. I love that. That is so cool. I was told that I looked like Daphne from Scooby Dooby Doo yesterday, which was interesting. Yeah, took that as a compliment. Bubba Z. I mean, do I have any funded account? No, Hasham, no. Brian, you can. You can go for it. See, how old am I? Just kidding, I'm turning 27. Dollar gold is pulling us higher. Okay, I love tech. Okay. No, she does not trade. I'm not even gonna lie, guys. Me and my sister are not very close. Samsung S10. I am on Project X currently. Z invest in good things. Ah, Brian, thank you. I was like, what? Okay, cool. My mantra is one trade a day keeps the doctor away. Yeah. That's valid. Baba, if you gotta stop coming here with facts, listen. What would I react? What do you mean by react? Sorry, explain? Are you asking if I would potentially looking for buy or sell? This market's low-key feeling a little bit heavy. I don't know if it's just me. I think this could potentially start to be sold. I could be very wrong though. Very, very wrong. Do I date also, guys? I mean, it's not really like I'm dating currently. I'm just doing my own thing. Michael Brogan's, I don't know if you're being serious. Is that a real thing? Damn, pips and dips. What happened? If I can ask, this sounds serious, or is it just you guys also just don't get along? Me and my sister are just two very different people. That's just it. So I mean, you know, we don't get along. Oh, I was very wrong. Let's see, this could be going up. Asham, how did I discover the trading? Not Forex. I'm not trading Forex. Sweet and simply, I wanted freedom. It's a long story. If you guys want to hear the story, you can pop it in the comments, but yeah, I just wanted freedom, and my friend was trading and they offered to teach me some of the basics, and then I decided, okay, well, while I'm learning, let me stream it live. Maybe people online will be willing to teach me, and luckily you guys are, and you guys are amazing. Like I said, majority of the things I actually learned from streaming live and from you guys. Yeah, it's really amazing. Like I said, if you want to see some questionable stuff, you can go check out some of my first videos. Absolutely shocking. Okay. Yeah. Oopsie, where did you go? Sorry. Invest Niger. I'm trading Project, or I'm on Project X right now. Steve with the hat, no. Just because I'm terrible at casinos. I've tried it once. Was not great. Not for me. It's accumulating shorts before the blast back to all-time highs. You think so? Okay, describe my perfect date. I don't know. Eating snacks. I love tech. You think it's breakout time? I mean, I freaking hope so. This is just now. I mean, I can't be upset. We one trade in for the day and it's a win. I should have placed more contracts on it, but it is what it is. Oh, Brian, that sounds interesting. Do I protect my capital with metals? No. Markano, I was wondering where you were yesterday. You missed, you know, Nox took your place. He became that little voice in the back of my head, which I was not expecting, but Nox was there. Damn, BD? Yeah, no, I can imagine. Luckily for me, as you can see, like, I do not have a shortage. Like, there's more, guys. There's just so much hair. There's so much hair. Being half Portuguese, yeah, it does that. Hair for days. Getting rich never ages. Michael Brogan's. I need to, like, save all of your comments and put them on t-shirts, because that is freaking brilliant. I feel like no one else is laughing at your jokes, and I think that's a crime right there, because these are pretty funny. Tube Treasure, thank you. I really appreciate that. It's, yeah. It's a lot of the mental side, hey? Wow. And I always used to laugh at it, and I was like, whatever, the mental side. No! The mental side is a big thing. I mean, FOMO and YOLOs and all of those. Wow. Wow. I remember the one time I blew an account because I can't even remember what I was doing. But basically, every trade I was trying to do wasn't working. So I eventually said, well, screw it. If it's not working, I'm going to then go for the complete opposite. So naturally, it went back up. This was when I was doing market buys. Disaster. Just disaster. Roll? What do I think about a push-up from the 25121 level at 50% pullback? Let's check on the 1 hour. Sorry, there's a lot of noise. Which level? 1, 2, This, if we're going off of the 1 hour, can I just say that this looks promising? Nope, that's the wrong thing. Complete wrong thing. Honestly, Maya, can we get a grip? There we go. With this massive fair value gap here. Which means, what level's this? The 129. Yeah, this level here is quite promising for an entry for a potential... That's the thing. My brain kind of wants to say a potential short here, but another part of me is going, no, this is just going to stick with bullish. If I thought it was going to continue going down, this would be a great entry point on the 1 hour. But a lot of things are indicating that we're just going to stick with bullish. So, yeah, I'm conflicted. I'm conflicted. There we go. Yeah, roll. It's a massive freaking fair value gap on the 1 hour. It's huge. You like girls without makeup. Makeup hurts the skin. Yeah, literally the only thing I normally just wear is mascara and a little bit of eyeliner. I don't know if you can see. That's it. Sorry, I am very much all about just trying to keep things as natural. You know, it's effort. It's effort to wear makeup. Why put effort into that if you can just put effort into your trading? Oh, okay, pips and dips. Cool. Cool. Don't worry, you don't have to tell us your secrets. It's fine. Play blackjack. Some real man playing. The problem is, so part of me wants to potentially one day play like poker. I would never be able to because I have the worst poker face and I cannot lie. I'll get my cards and everyone will know instantly that I got good or bad ones because I'll be like, yeah, damn it, it would have been a win. Shoot. Oh well. Would have been a good win as well. I say a good win. That was a lot of flipping consolidation. Oh well. That would have been a win. Damn. But to be fair, it could have gone either way there, so I'm not super bummed about not taking it. Doesn't drop now, I'll be quite, yeah, quite intrigued. No ways. Did I just not mark them out? Then she just did not mark it out. Yep, there we go. Here's just some points of interest. Whee! Sorry. Damn, I forgot how much it dropped yesterday. Yesterday was insanity. Okay. Um, 90% mental and risk management. Yeah, basically, right? Bull trap, come on, baby, give me my boat. Did I make calls earlier? What do you mean by did I make calls? Hey, DK, how's it going? How's it going? Oh, Brian, no, not really. Yeah, unfortunately, I really thought it took out those relative equal highs on ES. It's now taken out some kind of relative equal highs. Yeah. It took that liquidity on NQ. So, who thinks what's gonna happen now? Cheers, DK, enjoy. Ice cream? Yeah, probably. Oh, damn, Rakesh, well done. Anonymous Rex. Yes, 100%. Best way to have a good poker face is just not play poker at all. Wait, D, you're long? Wait, sorry, Texas. You're long but bearish. Okay. Hey, Private. Today you'll be on... Oh, nice tube treasures. Nice. What is jellyfish depth? I've never heard that before. What's that, Michael? Okay. I love tech and how's it looking? Not Conex? I have not. I've not. It just took out Asia High. Anonymous Rex? No, I cannot say that fast. I'm not even gonna say I've tried. A lot of people have asked me to try that, which makes me feel like I'll say something weird when I try and do that. Texas, you're bearish overall, but that pop to the 50-minute was clear. Ooh, okay. Okay, Texas. Okay, okay. Do you think this is the final piece that's gonna go straight up? Part of me really wants to trust Texas. You said the 15-minute. Texas, where's your TP at? What are you hoping it comes to grab? Hoping it goes up to 126 level, right? Sorry, I think you have said this. I apologize. Ooh, this looks terrible. There we go. It just took out Asia high. Okay, cool. Her level's strong. Oh, Michael, that makes sense. Okay, okay, you have it at 124, just below the 126 wick. Yeah, stop it. There we go. I mean, it looks like it could potentially be going up for that. I don't know, you guys just know I'm not a fan of this chop stuff. It could do anything. It could just wick down quickly, take me out, and then go back up. It's not ideal with regards to my strategy. I could just be being a bit of a baby right now. I mean, that one would have actually worked out. Would have taken a while, but it would have worked out. Ooh, D, okay. Brian? It's 103. You think 103. Oop. There we go. Let's see. Let's see. But Texas, you've taken partials, eh? Or not? Very choppy, Marzia. Marzia, have you got a trade in yet? 126, so I got 126 marked already. But I'll mark the 103 level. There's the 103 level. Yeah, 126 I've already marked as a point of interest. See? Learning. Okay, Texas, so either way, you're kind of in the green. So that's good. Well done. Rolf, potentially. Like I said, it did now take out both of the highs. I thought they were relatively equal highs on both ES and NQ. So I would think that there'll be a little bit more of a retracement, but it doesn't really look like it. It could, like Dee's saying, it could be going up to the 103 level. Brian, oh, that makes sense. That makes sense. Texas, now guess where this is from. What am I guessing? What, the question mark? Asking. Okay, D, okay. Okay. Well, it looks like you could be very correct. I really thought it would have retraced more. I really thought it would have retraced more. Bummer. Could have been in on this one as well. Well, okay, let me not speak too soon. Ooh, it's nearly 10:30. Let's see, sometimes between a twin? Oh, for crying out loud. The monkey's back. Damn it. Anyways, sometimes between 10:30 and 11, this market can do some crazy stuff. Let's see if that is the case or if it's just gonna dry up. Ooh, nice, Texas, nice. Oh, Mozia, that's awesome. Well, I missed 2 winning trades. However, again, this is choppy, so I'm not really... Hello. 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 I got a periwinkle nearly in my armpit. Thanks for the licks. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Okay. These levels seems pretty solid. I don't know if this is the great or the best entry point though. Maybe this range is better, but it feels a little bit tight. It could be worse. Yeah, that's true, Texas, right? Now look for a reversal on that 15-minute gap. Okay, no, I'm not getting a monkey as a pet. Hey, Michelle, how you doing? How you doing? Ice cream and see, Michelle's here. Which is worse, stocks or the lotto? Lotto? Definitely. Oh, microwave. Cool name. Marzia, you are so sweet. Thank you. Thank you. I think it's gonna take out that level, D. Damn. What did I say about around 10:30? Hey, check. Now we have a little bit more volume going on. Don't know why. Okay, but it's taken that level. Now, D, do you think it could reverse back down? Is this the potential retracement, or is it just going to keep going up to hopefully Texas, where your TP is? Just saying. We've got to think positive thoughts for Texas here. Roll, none that are here. I don't know. If the chart is too messy, my brain has a meltdown, so that sounds bad, but I can't have too many things going on. So I know what the fair value gaps look like. I'm aware that on a higher time frame, this could be a fair value gap and this could be an order block, you know. I then just call it a shelf, but on a higher time frame, it could be an order block. I think it's just visually I have them, but I don't have them as indicators set up. I'm sorry, Eternal Nemesis. Which lotto? I've never played lotto, so okay. Up now, the London fair value gap is a good entry for a retracement. Okay. Eternal Nemesis. Everyone just looks at graphs. I mean, yes, that's kind of what trading is, right? Sorry, I had a big boy lunch. Jesse, hi, from San Antonio, Texas. Welcome, welcome. We got a lot of Texans here. I love it. Yeah, true, Texas. damn. Okay, okay, BD. Hell yeah, Texas. Yeah, I think everyone's gonna have to give D a shout out if they are correct. See, this could be a good entry if it comes back down into it. I don't know if it will. How big is this? It's taken so much liquidity. Let's up it by 1. Let's get 4 contracts going on this one. Okay. Let's see. I don't know if this is gonna come and get me. It could just keep running away. But let's figure it out together. What? Ice cream, you thought I was... What? Texas me. I just say they. When in doubt, say they. Jesse, one question. NIO? I don't actually. Does anyone know NIO? Okay. I love that. I mean, it would be quite cool to get hit by a shooting. Well, no, I mean, I would die, so maybe not get hit by a shooting star, but moving on. Okay, microwave. No, that makes sense. That makes sense. Like I said, I don't believe that there's such thing as a losing strategy. It's just if the person who's using the strategy understands the strategy, can... I want to say see this, visualize the confluences that they are looking for to set up the strategy correctly. And like I said, risk management and just knowing which is the correct setup. Again, guys, just a little itty bitty teaser, because I can. This is happening, hopefully, well, it should be happening on Monday. So keep an eye out. It's going to be awesome, specifically for the community where we can all grow together, and then you guys can share your trades with everyone so that there's group whoop whoops, because we love whoop whoops. But just a little bit of a teaser, so keep an eye out. Monday's the day. I'm excited. I'm super excited. I think it's going to be awesome. Bassett Patel, hi, what's up? Brian, I did not. Bassett, no, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Oh, it's just going up, up and away. Texas, you feeling pretty good right now, huh? I don't know if this is gonna come back to get me. It does, it might want to reach it. Ugh. Just leave it. Let's just see what it does. Ah, thanks, Brian. Thank you. Yeah. Barbecue Pitmaster 1. Hi, how are you? John Oakey, Bad Bunny, what? Hey, Zah, how's it going? How's the trading been? Sorry, I'm a little bit late with reading these. Woo, I'm just not gonna watch now. Let's see what happens. Okay, Jesse, you think it's one hot stock? Interesting. Michelle, how can... what? Overthinking me. So I admit YOLO is a viable strategy. Marketer, no! Gosh. Should I rather say peeves? Stop it. What? You told me to wait? What must I wait for, Texas? If you did, I'm so sorry. I actually didn't see that. Let's see what's happening. Jason, what's up? What's up? What's up? Texas, what am I waiting for? Marzia? Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna come and get us in. Let's see. And this volume has dried up properly. Now I'm waiting for Texas's reply. Don't go for the boring Discord route. You can make me way more I'm not trying to be famous, but anyways. Okay. Do I even want to know what your answer? No, I don't even think I want to know. I don't want to know. Bashy, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. And I have ES or S&P 500 open on the side. Because they do tend to drive each other. Maxitron? Sorry, I'm gonna just stop at a Maxitron. Well, got me into trading essentially just freedom. Yeah, essentially just freedom. There's obviously a longer story with regards to that. If you want to hear it, yeah, pop a message again, and I'll explain the whole story. But essentially, freedom is how I got into this. I'm not there yet. Like I said, please don't think I'm this amazing millionaire. I'm definitely not. Maybe one day when I'm big, but right now I'm still. I'm gonna say this. I'm gonna regret saying it. I know Markino is gonna make a comment, but I'm still baby trader. I'm still figuring things out. Yeah. Maya, can I call Solly, please? Solly! Vishal wants to speak with you. Ehsan, how much lost today? I am up $54.54. 5454. Yeah, cool. Damn, I don't think it's gonna come get me in. ZAR, very good. DAX was great. Gold and MVP. Oh, gold was the MVP. Sorry. Ooh, ZAR so green? Am I whoop whooping? Are we getting a whoop whoop? Okay. To see if D is right. High probability trade will be in that gap. Valid. Cheers, Vishal. Enjoy. Maxitron, you are welcome. Ehsan, wow, interesting. If you say so. We are all allowed our opinions. Like I said, I mean, you're not wrong. I'm definitely not a trader yet. Definitely not a... I'm getting better. I'll say I'm an okay trader right now. I now just need to start upping the amount because, I mean, if that win was like if I'd risk $200, that would have been a $400 win. Ooh, nice, Jason. You are requesting as we speak from Bueller Knox. Okay, the month just began. Yes, trading is freedom. I agree. Nice, Jason. Well, if you want to help a gal out and use my code, I'm affiliated with Bueller Knox, so that's cool. Oh, this is not gonna come and get me, is it? Boomer. Oh well. Let's see. I think this is slowly and steadily just climbing up and away, but surely it has to. Yeah, let me not say that. I was gonna say surely it has to come back down eventually, but it kind of looks like it's just going. Texas, how are you feeling right now? Feeling pretty good? My stop's not looking ideal. On the top one trade account? No, I'm not. Okay, sorry guys, I see there's a bunch of messages coming through. Apologize if I missed any. Zar, whoop whoop, whoop whoop, well done. That is amazing. I'm so chuffed for you, that is awesome. I'm not feeling great about the stop loss, but the entry is decent. If it comes back. I think this is just going all the way up. Let's see, D mentioned the 111 zone. This is it. Oh. Well, there was the little tap in. Interesting. Okay, let's see. Sorry. Sorry. Michelle was asking questions, I don't know. Josina, what I think about these weekly dividend EFT that have been breaking the market lately? Well, I mean, I've been not enjoying it because, my gosh, made the trading really, I don't want to say tedious, but I mean, this, so slow. Yesterday's London session was so slow. Even New York, to begin with, was a little bit excruciating. Luckily, I got you guys to keep me entertained. Seriously, or else I think I'll just, I don't know what I would do. I'd just sit here and, I don't know. I don't even know what I would do. See, lost for words. You guys are awesome. Mr. Yellow and friend, yes. The Nasdaq futures, the micros to be more specific. Rolando, how much am I risking right now? Well, there I only did 3 contracts with, how big was it? And it was 5 points. So, like, absolutely nothing. So that was, what? A little over $25, which is nothing. I should really start upping it properly. This is looking a little scary. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. According to Chinese astrology, am I a horse? I'm actually not sure, Texas. I'm not too sure. I think my birth year with regards to like the Chinese calendar, I could be wrong, guys. I could be wrong. I think I'm the year of the tiger. I think. 1998. But Texas, I'm not sure with regards to that. Oh, nice. Well, welcome, Lex. Welcome. John Michael, how's it going? Gabriel, no. I'm not teaching. Brian, why not buy at the top and wait? Interesting. I mean, theoretically, I could. These made me a little bit nervous because that was exactly around that 111 area, which means this could be a shift. This could be a shift. Yeah, 100% Texas. That's why I'm like, oh. I saw Solly. I was like, what the heck? This could be a shift. This could be bad. Jason, am I currently doing all right regarding trading? How do I feel? I think so. I think I'm doing okay. I mean, there's some days where I'm just like, what am I doing? I'm useless. But yeah, I think I'm getting better. I'm getting better. Isan, where am I from? I'm from South Africa. Sorry, hi Lolo, you're French. Welcome, welcome, welcome. From Zimbabwe. Oh, you guys are so cool, I love it. Bebo, yep, tiger. There we go. Tiger. Oh, really, Texas? Oh, okay. Well, I mean, there's no secret. Yeah, my birthday is December, so. Right, Lex. No. Hell yeah, it's on South Africa. Gotta be specific. Okay. Anyways. You're from Brazil, hi. And Jason, you are here to spread love. I love that. Welcome. We love people that are here to spread love and kindness and compliments. No, not compliments. What's the word I'm looking for? Oh, this is not looking promising, is it? Let's see what happens. Oh, really, Texas? Really? Your first girlfriend in high school was South African. We dated for a year and she moved back. Aww. Aww, I'm sorry. Sorry that she moved back. Well, I don't know. I guess you were expecting it, right? Greenwich, what up? Aw, Pips and Dips, thank you. You're amazing. How are they going, Pips and Dips? I think that's also a very important question. How are the 50Ks going? That's okay, Texas. I think it would be awesome if I am. I mean, I'm not upset about the tiger either. That's okay, BD, don't worry. You like to trade? Awesome, me too. Oh, Brian, thank you. I appreciate that. Jason, you're awesome. Mad love. Thank you, thank you. This could not go in my favor. Yeah, this could be the retracement back down. That's pretty hectic. Let's see, it did hit that shelf, if you will, on ES, so it could go back up now. Nope, I think this is going down. This could be a loss. Fabian, what's up? Where you been? Oh. Green Emerald Frog! Hell yeah. Green Emerald Frog, are you in a trade, by the way? How's it looking? Damn, John, that is awesome! John, just do it. Just tell me who you are. I want to know. Remember the yes-no part. You're willing to bet 1K on Texas? It's rejected after testing that low. Yep. I don't. Dr. Trade? Dr. Trade, yep. I did respect FF, I did. I think it's gonna be a losing trade. Oh, right, I will check that out. I'll check that out now, Texas. I think this was the shift down. Oh well. Marzi, if you copied me, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Bad call. Bad call on my part. Okay, Frog? What about Frog? Akash, what's up? Respect it. I've heard gold market is quite nice. Ah, there it goes. This is a proper drop down. Awesome. Boom banana, hold to all-time highs. What? Might double top. Let's see. There we go. Sorry, that was a bad one. Oh well. I was hoping it would just stick with what it was. I did say it was going to retest technically. It just didn't happen when I thought it would. It hit D's point perfectly. Where did D go? We need D back here. Where's D at? Yeah, damn it. And this, like I said, wasn't a bad trade. I did have my confluences. It's just, yeah, it is what it is. This is 6 of 10. Okay, let's make some notes here. First, okay, I'm gonna make one more note. Could have been more patient. Oh, that's not how you spell could. There we go. Holy cow. Holy cow. Okay, cool. Cool. Damn. Yo, Texas, damn. Holy moly. Ace. Holly, me and you both. Flipping hell. That was... Okay. Yo, where did D go? No. How is my handcuff? My handcuff geared. Was the moon... It was huge. The moon was massive last night. Wait, sorry. Solly, I read stop loss. TP, well done. Whoop whoop. Amazing, Solly. Long 5 micros now. FX, literally, my strategy is based off of premium and discount, just saying. I even made a note here. I have been waiting for the retest because it took out relative equal highs on ES and NQ. I was waiting for the retest, but it just kept going up. So I was like, okay, well, it looks like we're just sticking with trend. So naturally, I got in as the flipping dump happened. Oh well, it is what it is. Angus Croc, do you want to get banned? Just saying. Oh, okay. Nice, Texas. Woo woo, hi. No, sorry, it was well executed. Well done. Hell yeah, Texas. Texas. What the heck? I know those levels from D. Yeah, where's D? Where did D go? D must come back. Texas, I was really hoping it would go up to that 126 level specifically for you as well, so it's fine. It is what it is. Boom Banana, good and bad. I mean, I had one win and one loss, but unfortunately I placed more contracts in on this trade than this one. So I'm in a little bit, like a tiny bit of red. $12, but still. Cheers, Texas. Well done, by the way. Oh yeah, thanks. Yeah, guys, if you are having, well, if you are enjoying the chaos that is right here today, if you're having fun, yeah, would you mind liking the stream? Thank you. That'd be awesome. Sorry, all-time high now. I don't know. I don't know. I really don't know. What the heck? Why is everything happening at 11? Was this that massive retest I've been waiting for? Probably. Just because I missed it. This is probably the massive retest. Out of curiosity, if we go from opening, just around here. Huh. I wonder, let's see if this is the shift or if that was just solidly a retest down. Gosh, okay, you use ES to trade Nasdaq. Me too, right here. Check, this is the ES over here. Right, thanks, Boom. I appreciate that. That's the key right there. Apparently it was the wrong time to trust it, but it is what it is. Thanks, Boom. Markano, shush, shush. Flip, it's actually now that there's momentum, it's time for me to go. No. Okay, I'm gonna stick around a little bit longer. Because the horses can only walk today because they got the injection yesterday, so I can't do much with them anyway. So I'm gonna stick around a little bit longer. Let's see what happens. Just because apparently we now have momentum. What the heck? Why now do we have some momentum? What do we think is going to happen? Solly, you think all-time highs? Rolf, I agree. Well, let's see what it decides to do. That was just unfortunate. Oh well, it is what it is. Dean, do I use the high time frame swing points to frame my... Dean... Yes and no, I kind of jump between the 3 and the 5 to get my confluences. Like I said, that was just... bleh, oh well. And I do get confirmation from the 15-minute. Yeah, that was just a pullback. That was the pullback I was flipping, waiting for. Oh, okay. This fair value gap on the 1 hour is freaking me out a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, it's huge. Rob Freeman, you think it will reject and go down. Trade Mindset, you think long? Do I use power of 3 to trade? No, what's that? Yes, Santi. M.A. Ferreira, New York opens 9:30 a.m. EST. If you're in South Africa, it's 3:30 p.m. That's all I know. Sorry. But that's when New York opens. Fire within? No, I'm not teaching trading. Yeah, I'm definitely not qualified to be teaching trading. Ah, there we go. Thanks, Ollie. Joran, hey, how are you? Was that it? Was it a massive pullback, a little bit of a jump up, and now we're gonna just chill a bit? Fire within. Not yet. I've only been trading since April, so I've only been trading for a few months. Okay, boom, you're in a long. Nice, nice. Oh my gosh, I hate my VWAP so much. My VWAP was down here earlier. Oh my gosh. I don't understand it. It has its own little mission in life. I'm just not a part of it. Trade mindset? You still think long? Okay. Prop 23, how's it going? I'm good, thanks. How are you? I had one win and one loss. Unfortunately, I was feeling confident and I placed more in on this trade that was a loss. Oh well, it is what it is. I must now just start making them a little bit more equal. Have I tried timing in my method? I have. Okay, what do you mean by timing? Like looking at specific time? Rob Freeman, yes, I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be lower. It was lower earlier. It was down here. That's why I hate my VWAP. I've tried to fix it like 5 times and it keeps bouncing around. But like I said, you guys have witnessed me trying to fix it live. It keeps just doing its own thing no matter how many times I've tried to fix it. It just has a mind of its own. Okay, really. Ordinary person, cool name. Looking good for buying. Is everything going up? Oh, wait, boom. Boom, where's your stop loss at? Oh, nice, okay. Okay, well, it looks like volume's now dried up a tiny bit. I want to see if... Well, I kind of want to see who was correct. I'm going to stick around for another... 7 minutes or so. And let's see what happens. Cool. Respect FF, let's go gold market, sure. Okay, you wanted to go to 250. Okay, so Kay, you wanted to go down. What's there? Why do you want it at that level specifically? Oh, look. Hey, my VWAP sorted itself out. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. Power of 3 plus time plus price is the strategy you use. Okay, Joe. And I'm assuming profitable on it? Oh, nice, Prop 23. That's amazing. Yeah, I had this win, and then it took out equal highs on ES, and then it took out equal highs on NQ, which is why I didn't get in on any of these because I really thought it was going to dump down then. And then it flipping rallied, and I was like, okay, we're sticking with market structure. Market structure is bullish. And then it screwed me. Oh well, it is what it is. Thokchum Davidson, yep. This is Nasdaq futures. The MNQ to be specific. Okay, I mean, it kind of looks like it's drying up now, right? A little bit. A little bit. Oh, okay. Well, it is what it is. I mean, I still have New York session later to make up for it, so that's fine. Check BNB. What about BNB? I trade in futures, yes. I don't trade in the future. If I did, I would know a lot more. DAX, it's 1 to 2. Yeah. 1 risk, 2 reward. 1 to 2 R. Fluffy bunny. Yeah, I do. Prop 23, I did see that. I did see we do have that, but Prop 23, what do you think then New York's going to do? Was it just going to be disaster? I hope not. I hope it's good. LuxQ, what's my thought on crypto? I don't have much. I know some people love it, and some people say stay away from it. I've never tried it. I've never looked much into it, so I don't have much of an opinion. So that's more of a question for the chat. Logan, what's up? What's going on? Not much right now. I'm basically done trading for the London session. I'm not going to say today because I am back for the New York session later. But I'm done for the London session. I should have been in the green. I should have been in the green. That's on me. I need to start sorting out my how much I'm going to risk so that I do start earning a decent amount. And where am I from? I'm from South Africa. I'm using prop firms, yes. And I'm affiliated with prop firms. If you guys want to use my code with any of the in description prop firms, or you see them popping up. Hot rocks, hey. FOMC equals full of macaroni and cheese. Olive, yeah, that's 100%. Yeah, how did you know? Prop 23, lure people in how though? LuxQ, Discord is going to go live on Monday. Just saying. So yeah, Discord's going to go live on Monday, so you guys must stick around. It's happening. Yanis, hi! And Junior, yes, I am South African. Yes, respect FF. Oh, thanks, Thomas P. I really appreciate that. And from the UK, that is awesome. Thanks, Holly. Yeah, if you guys are having at least a bit of an enjoyable time, if you guys wouldn't mind liking that stream so that we can reach out to more like-minded people, that would be awesome. Thank you. Okay, please don't do Discord. Why? You just invested 2k in Crochet Circle. Either way, we have plenty of caps and sweaters. Hey, David. For a second, I was like, what are you? And then I was like, right. I see. I see. Thanks, David. Junior? Really? Huh. That sucks. I'm sorry. I mean, just with my prop firms. Use the prop firms and then you can. Tips and tips? What do you mean? What all starts? What happens? You make me nervous. Oh. my goodness. Sorry. My dog giving me heart attacks. Is the bull run gonna take place this year? I mean, there was a bull run earlier today, but I don't know. I don't know about that other part. Dax, how many years of my trading journey? 0 years. I've only been trading since April, so I'm very much still a new trader. Yeah, very much still a baby trader. Don't make a comment. Junior, so I mean, all of my affiliated prop firms, they're all in the description. All of them support, well, South Africa, so I'm assuming Africa as well. Hot Rocks, you like Joburg? Joburg's cool. Yeah, I used to live that side of the world. Now I'm down by KZN, so I'm down by the beach. It's very cool here also. Everyone does Discord, be different. I mean, theoretically, I'm kind of on everything, but Discord can be fun because then you guys, it's more for a community thing. That's the whole reason, because everyone was like, we want Discord to be able to share all of our trades and help each other out even more. And that's why I decided, you know, it could be fun. More for community based more than anything else, because then you guys can share your trades with me. You can show me why exactly. It's not just saying, oh, I took this because of this. You can actually show me. I think that's really awesome. You're also from South Africa? That's awesome. She is losing everything. No, I'm not. DBM, how much money do I earn per day? So I'm still on an eval account. Like I said, I'm not here to be, you know, I'm here to be, what's the word? Open and honest about the whole trading experience. I'm not here saying I'm making millions. I'm definitely not losing. So I've been in the green this week. I took 1 win and 1 loss. I should have been in the green if I had upped the amount that I placed. I was feeling a little bit too sure of this trade, and unfortunately it lost. David, yes, sure. Pips and dips. Yes, sorry guys, it is going to be because, well, number one, the main reason is to keep it limited, and that, you know, you have people that genuinely want to be a part of the community, not just people who want to come and make weird comments. And, you know, moderators and things like that come into play. Reese, do you think I work in corporate? Hell no. Junior, why? That makes no sense. Junior, if you go into a previously streamed, because I checked it literally this morning, because someone said it didn't work either. I checked it this morning. If you can just go maybe into previously streamed video, maybe it'll work then. Huh. And if you just go into one of them, like if you just Google like the earn to trade or the fund to ticks. Thanks, John. But actually, I've been going a little bit. Woo! I've been going overtime. I need to go to my horses quickly, guys. TJ, yeah, why not? Anyways, I need to go see my horses. Oh, Alex, yeah, I will, 100%. Yeah, I'm gonna stick to my YouTube. Yeah, like I said, the Discord is for community, and so that we can all start sharing things together. But I'll still be here. I'm still here, guys. I'm not just gonna swap over. But anyways, let me go. I'm running late for my ponies. David, I have a thoroughbred. Oh, it's futures. Anyways. And just like that, it got weird. Okay, I'm gonna call it there then. Why do you guys gotta ruin it sometimes? Anyways. Okay, I don't know if you guys heard that. Those are the monkeys running on the roof. Anyways, moving on. I'm going to call it, I will be back for New York. So if you guys are still awake, or if you guys are around, hopefully I'll see you for the New York session, then I can answer more questions. Hopefully, seriously. Anyways, let's see. Hopefully I can get back in the green. Like I said, Monday and Tuesday were green, so I am in the green for the week. So that's cool. I'm going to call it there. Mad love for you guys. You guys really keep me entertained the whole time. Jason, yes, monkey on the roof. The vervet monkeys down here in KZN. They run wild and they are amazing. Freaky Boys Unite, 100% Solly. 100%. Anyways, moving on. I love you guys madly. I'll be back for the New York session. But cheers for now. Bye.